Seeing a white screen on your Samsung phone? In this video, we'll explain the causes and show you 15 ways to fix the Samsung white screen of death. Part 1. Why did my phone screen suddenly go white? Software issues, bugs, apps, or updates. Settings, display options may change colors. Low storage causes system errors. Cache issues, temporary files interfere. Overheating causes display problems. Loose connector affects screen output. Physical damage, drops or water damage. Battery swelling impacts components. Hardware failure, GPU or motherboard issues. Bad apps cause system conflicts. Old firmware creates instability. Safe mode finds app problems. Factory reset fixes major errors. Part 2. How to fix Samsung white screen of death. 14 basic solutions. Fix 1. Inspect charging issues. Fix 2. Check for LCD connector. Fix 3. Conduct a soft reset. Fix 4. Verify accessibility settings. Fix 5. Update firmware. Fix 6. Clear cache and data. Fix 7. Free up storage. Fix 8. Clean cache partition. Fix 9. Test Galaxy in safe mode. Fix 10. Move your apps to SD card. Fix 11. Factory reset Samsung. Fix 12. Check for physical damage. Fix 13. Contact Samsung support. Fix 14. Find a qualified technician. Part 3. Fix Samsung white screen of death with a dedicated tool. Android Repair fixes Samsung white screen issues caused by system errors, failed updates, or hardware problems. It also repairs boot loops, brick devices, and other system failures easily. Fix Samsung white screen with Android Repair. Launch the software and connect your Samsung via USB. Go to System Repair, Android Repair, check device info, and click Start. Enter device details, click Next, enter 000000, confirm. Enter download mode, download firmware, and complete the repair.